Hey everybody, welcome back. We are up north again, and today we need to replace the doorknob on the door to the pole barn. This doorknob here is the lock, and it's not working real well. I've had trouble getting the lock to unlock to get into the pole barn. So I picked up one at the local hardware store on the way up here today. We're going to replace that one with this one. Shouldn't take us too long to do. So that's what our plan is today. So let's get to it. So first we need to take these screws out. Take that one out. I'm going to take this other one out. And this should come right off. And on the other side here, that should pull right out. And then the striker comes right out of there. I think we're going to just leave that one in there. I'm not going to worry about it. We'll see if we have to replace the other pieces. Otherwise, we just put the other one right back in. Super simple to do. So it looks like on the new one, this is all one piece, and so we are going to have to take this off too. Take that one out. Take that one out. And this should come right out of there, just like that. And then this one will go right in there. And we can just use the same screws we just took out to put it back on. This one in here. Just get those started. And we can just screw it right back in. So both of those are in there now. It's like we need to bring the latch out a little bit. Which it should pop out, I think, distance-wise. We'll fix that, and then we'll put the other one back on. This goes right in here. Just slides right on there. And then we have the other one that goes on right here. Gotta make sure our lock is turned correctly. It's kind of got a square piece on it there. You can kind of see there, so you gotta make sure that matches up. Let me put this on. It's probably the most difficult part. So that's on, so it locks it, unlocks it. Now all we do is put the two screws back in it and we're done. Well guys, you know what? I just realized they're on backwards. We need to have the key on this side. We need to have this on the other side. So we're going to take it apart and do it again. So I guess that's an important tip. Make sure you put the right doorknob on the right side. So we're going to take that off. We're going to pull this one out. And we're going to put this one on this side. Just like that. And we're going to put the other one on the other side. All right, now that we got the doorknobs on the right side, let's see if we can't get these screws in here again. That one. Got this one. Now let's tighten these up again. That one's on there. So we're unlocked, we can go like that. And when we lock it, it doesn't want to turn. That's good. Now let's see if the key will unlock it next. So here are the new keys. That locks it. And that unlocks it. There we go. Doorknob installed. Awesome.